Okay, so we want a double garage here, same type of gable there, and this will be a double driveway. So it'll probably come out to around here. We also want the gutter fixed all the way to the end over there, and there's a big rise here, so this needs to be leveled out so it's normal. This will be chopped, I think it's around here, and there will be a path that goes to the front door over there, so a path, and the rest of this will be rendered, and we're not sure what to do with the very top there. I like sandstone, but sandstone's kind of expensive, so maybe something. Now around here, we want this painted, but on this side we don't want rendered because it'd be too hard with this buxus here, so that'll just have to be painted, but this side rendered. Okay, so there will also be, on this large double garage, there will be some downlights underneath the garage operated on a sensor. There will also be some little LEDs on the floor going on both sides of the driveway, plus probably external lights here or something to shine out here when you're there. Now there will also be a hole for a letterbox and an intercom over there. So now the other thing is all these tiles here, we've had multiple slips on them. So we never want to see these tiles here, so they'll have to come up. And probably these tiles as well, I guess, just to match. So that will be retile. I'm kind of thinking cobblestones. I think that would be the best approach. So the other thing is, if we just come over here, we would also like some lights in the garden over here to shine on the trees. And then all these tiles, the obnoxious slippery tiles, they have to go as well. Okay, so yes, all this gets done. Now, also do all these. You'll notice there's water on all these because the lye is bad, so all the lye needs to be fixed as well. And one more thing, this is to go all the way down here, so follow me down here if you can, just to get an idea. So come down, you'll see all the water. Now, this needs to be done all the way down here. Now, one thing I do care about is this does nothing looks like it's just dodgily prepared. So that will have to go. And I care how you put silicone or something in the corners, because all the corners of everything on both sides of here and over there is pretty horrible. So I assume it will go down to here, something like that, and then all the way up. So that's the plan. Hopefully that will look pretty good.